Garlic butter shrimp with mushrooms. Don't blink, cause this is fast. With your shrimp, season it with salt, pepper, paprika, damn! Evenly coat everything. Taste it. I'm just joking. Don't do that. In a pan, melt your butter or margarine, whatever you guys got. Let's add in the mushroom. Now add your desired amount of garlic. I desire garlic. Our shrimp. Ooh. And we're done. Just like that, dinner is served. Woo! Woo! Thanks for watching. Boop. Please hit that follow button.